Hey folks, this is Louis Pierre bringing you another beautiful home. I want to show you this 16 by 40 two bedroom, two bath mini mansion. It's got an interesting look to it. It's one of the most unique porch model tiny home type homes that I've seen on the market so far. It's got a pretty interesting industrial look to it, and well, I'll let you check out these features. Here we go. So I'm on the porch right now. It's got a metal siding on the inside, smart panel. You can see the accents, the metal accents here. It's got a metal roof on the outside there. I'll show you that. Great look on the outside. Kind of a industrial meets country look to it. It's got the rebar railing on the outside, the Texas Star door, and let's take a look on the